Hi there, Chris from GC Property Group, and I just wanted to do a quick video to share you that things are still possible in the world of property during the coronavirus pandemic. So I bought a house very recently in South Wales, and I got that through a fellow sourcer that had it available. So I just want to show you the kind of figures that I've managed to achieve on this. What's that I managed to achieve? The sourcers managed to achieve for me. So it's in South Wales. I'm buying the property for £42,000. Yes, that's right, £42,000. Ridiculously cheap, I know. What the property is, I think it's a deceased estate, so it needs modernising throughout. So I'll buy it for 42 grand. I need to spend roughly about £21,500 doing a refurb. That's a very conservative refurb cost on it. And looking at comparables around the area, I should be able to get that refinanced at £85,000. So bearing in mind, I understand that, you know, the property market is likely to dip a little bit once this coronavirus pandemic's out of the way. That still is quite a lot of equity gain on that. Estimating the refurb time will be around about 3 months. So looking at the figures, it should also then rent out for around £525 per calendar month. Again, this is just looking at comparables in the area of what's happening. So looking at that with the refinance, the mortgage costs and all the management and all that, that should cash flow me about £261. And then the money it will leave in is about £5,500. Yeah, about £5,500. So the return on investment on that one is 113%. That's 113% ROA. Now, granted, I'll be open and honest with you, that one I have had to pay a sourcing fee along that as well. So the return on investment is likely to be around about the 90s%, but 90-odd% return on investment. And do you know what? If I was to get full bridging finance and everything and all that and get it loaded up and borrow as much as possible to do it, I'd still get an ROI of about 50%. 50%. Can you beat that anywhere in the stock markets or the bank? I mean, the Bank of England's just lowered the base rates. Was it 0.1%? I think I had a cheeky blooming letter from HSBC saying that they've cut my savings account rate to 0.01%, which is ridiculous. So it just want to show you that finding deals like this is still possible. And also, if you look at some areas like South Wales, where I've been looking at, they reckon that actually, do you know what, the dip is going to be in single figures as a percentage. So they reckon probably somewhere about 7-8% dip in house prices. So based on 85,000, even if there was a 10% dip there, I'd still be, what's that, my maths, 70, I'd still get it refinanced at 77, and I've spent sort of 65 on it, 66 on it. So I was still making sort of £10,000 worth of equity in it. So it's, you know, don't think just because of what's happening at the moment you can't do anything, because it's just not true. It's all about how you use this time and if you use it wisely. So, you know, look out for sources, and if you want to learn any more, drop me a message. I'm more than happy to help you, to show you what I know with different strategies and what is achievable at the moment. I mean, I've been on the phone today to other estate agents in Wales. You know, they are still all operating. It's just sometimes it takes them a bit longer and you have to email them and wait for them to call you back. But they are all still operating. And on this one, I will be getting the survey done on it. So as long as there's no one living at the property, the surveyors, they're still happy to go out and do the surveys. In fact, they've got a bit more time on their hands, so you can get it done even quicker. So, I mean, I sent back, I think it was yesterday, the payment and the signed contract, and the surveyor is going out either tomorrow, Wednesday, or Thursday to get it done for me. So I should have it done within the week. So it's actually, it's a good time. You know, don't wait and think, oh, we need to see what happens to the market. Just get in there and do it. If you're going to do it, it's as good a time as any. And what it does give you, actually, it gives you extra ammunition for negotiating off of that price, because probably a lot of sellers are going to be worried that they won't be able to sell their houses. So just go for it. Anyway, I hope that was useful. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon so you receive notifications when I upload new videos. Comment on anything that you want to know more about, or any suggestions you've got. And as I've always say, please join my investor list. Anyway, speak soon. Thanks.